There you are. I was waiting for you.
I'm sorry, Tom. The bus was late today.
It's okay. You are here, and that's what matters.
You always say the most beautiful words.
I mean every word.
Look at that sunset. It's beautiful tonight.
Yes, it is. But you are even more beautiful.
Stop it. You are going to make me blush.
I quite like the idea of making you blush.
You are impossible.
Perhaps I am, but you, Anna, are my impossible girl.
Yes, Tom, and I would not have it any other way.
Then you make me the luckiest man in this park.
Do you know what today is?
Of course, it's our anniversary.
You remembered.
I could not forget such a day.
It's been 3 years since that day.
Yes, it has. But every year with you feels new in its own way.
I feel the same way.
Let me hold your hand.
You don't have to ask. My hands are always for you.
I quite enjoy the feeling of your hands in mine.
Me too. It feels so right, like it's supposed to be this way.
I think it is.
The sky looks so beautiful tonight, like it was painted just for us.
Yes, the colors are perfect tonight. Orange, pink, and a lovely shade of purple.
This is my favorite time of day.
Mine too, especially when I get to spend it with you.
Can we stay here for a while longer?
We can stay as long as you want.
I want to cherish this moment forever.
Then let's just sit here and enjoy the view together.
I would like that very much.
Are you cold? I brought a jacket in case something like this happened.
A little bit, yes. Thank you for thinking about me.
Here you go.
You are such a sweetheart.
Of course. I always want to take care of you.
Well, not everyone is as considerate as you, Tom.
Well, I am not everyone. I am your Tom.
Yes, and I wouldn't have it any other way.
Can you hear the birds? They seem peaceful tonight.
Yes, I can. It's so nice out here.
I picked this bench specifically because of the view.
The view is nice, but it's not the reason why I like this bench.
What do you mean? This is the bench where I told you I loved you.
Yes, I remember that night clearly.
I was nervous that night, but I knew I had to tell you.
I'm glad you did.
Me too, because it was the best decision I have ever made.
This bench is dear to me as well.
I hope we can come back every year on our anniversary.
I would love that every year. Tom, do you remember what I was wearing that day?
Actually, I do. You were wearing a blue jacket, similar to the one you are wearing now.
I think I might remember as well.
You have quite the memory.
Only for the things that matter to me.
I'm glad I matter to you.
You matter a lot to me.
Look at that sky. It's turning a deeper shade of orange.
It is beautiful, isn't it?
Isn't it just? These 3 years seem to have passed by in the blink of an eye.
But every moment feels so full, don't you think? Don't you feel like it's all been worth it?
Yes, I do. I feel full and warm inside, like tonight.
I don't think I will ever take moments like these for granted again.
I feel the same way, which is why I try to remember every little thing.
Every little thing?
Your laughter, your favorite songs, the way you hold my hand.
He squeezes his hand. You even remember all of that?
I remember everything about you, Anna.
That's the sweetest thing anyone has ever said to me.
I mean every word of it.
The wind is nice tonight, isn't it?
Yes, it's quite peaceful, isn't it?
I could sit here on this bench forever.
Then let's just stay here a little bit longer before going to dinner.
Yes, let's just stay a little bit longer.
So Anna, how was your day?
It was busier than usual, but it was good. I finished my big project at work.
That's fantastic. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you. I feel good that I finally finished it.
You worked so hard on that project of yours, didn't you?
Yes, I did. But I feel so good that I don't have it on my plate anymore.
You definitely deserve to take it easy tonight.
How was your day, Tom? Did you have a good day?
It was a normal day. I worked, and I thought about you the whole time.
You are such a romantic.
It's the truth. I couldn't stop thinking about tonight.
Why is that? What makes tonight so special?
Well, other than the fact that it is our anniversary, I just love spending time with you.
I love spending time with you as well.
Did something good happen at your job today?
Yes, actually. My boss said some very nice words about my project.
Oh, really? What did she say?
She said it was one of the best projects this year.
It doesn't surprise me at all. You are truly talented.
Thank you so much, Tom. It means a lot to me, especially coming from you.
I always think you are talented, even when you don't think so yourself.
I appreciate that, Tom. I think that's one of the things I love most about you.
What else do you love about me?
Are you trying to get compliments out of me?
Perhaps I am.
Fine. I love that you are understanding.
I strive to be that way.
And I love that you are always a good listener.
I enjoy listening to you. Your stories always fascinate me.
Even the boring ones about the spreadsheet?
Especially those. You make everything sound interesting.
You are too kind to me.
I'm just being honest with you.
I appreciate that a lot.
Should we go for a walk before having dinner?
Yes, let's go for a walk. I love walking with you in the evenings.
The air is so nice tonight, don't you think?
Yes, it's the perfect weather for a walk.
Did your coworkers congratulate you for finishing the project?
A little bit. We went out for coffee after the meeting.
That sounds nice. You deserve to be congratulated.
Thank you so much. I really enjoyed being able to share my success with them.
You always work so hard, and I admire that about you.
I try to put in my best effort every time, but it's not always easy.
I know, and I admire that about you even more.
Sometimes I think I overwork myself.
You do work a lot, but you know how to enjoy your free time.
I'm learning to do that little by little.
That's all anyone can do, right? Learn little by little.
You always know how to make me feel better.
That's my job as your partner.
I quite enjoyed this job description.
Me too. I take this job very seriously.
Did something good happen at your job today?
Actually, yes. My boss asked me to lead a new project.
Tom, that's fantastic news.
Thank you. I'm a little nervous, but I think I will.
You will be amazing at it, Tom. I know you will.
Your support means the world to me.
I will always support you, Tom. Always.
I know, and I am very grateful for that. Do you remember the first time we met?
Of course I do. It was at that little coffee shop.
Yes, you dropped your book and I picked it up for you.
But you did not give it back to me right away.
Well, I wanted an excuse to talk to you.
I knew it. I thought you were strange at the time.
Was I that obvious?
Perhaps you were a little, but it was also cute.
I was so nervous that day. My hands were shaking.
Really? You did not look nervous at all.
I was a good actor, wasn't I?
I remember you asking me what book I was reading.
Yes, it was a book about the sea, right?
You actually remember that? It was 3 years ago.
I remember everything about that day.
That's amazing. I wish I could remember those little details like you.
I think I knew from that day that you were going to be special to me.
How did you know?
You smiled at me like you already knew me.
I think I felt the same way too.
Maybe we were meant to be together from that day.
I like to think so.
From that day, I could not stop thinking about you.
I felt the same way. I was hoping you would call me.
I almost did not. I was so nervous that you would say no.
I'm so glad you did call me.
Me too, because that phone call changed my life.
It changed mine as well.
Our first date was at that little Italian restaurant, remember?
Yes, you spilled all that water on the table.
Please, don't remind me of that.
It was actually pretty cute of you. It made me feel relaxed.
Well, I'm glad my spill made you feel better.
It did, actually. I stopped being so nervous around you.
3 years later, and I'm still a little nervous around you.
Really? Even now?
Yes, it's a good thing, though. You still make my heart pound.
That's one of the nicest things you've ever said to me.
It's simply the truth.
Do you remember what I wore that day?
Yes, you were wearing a yellow dress. It looked so nice with the sunlight.
I can't believe you actually remember that.
I told you, I remember everything about that day.
What made you ask me out, really?
Your smile. I could not look away from your smile.
That's a very cheesy answer.
I'm being sincere with you, Anna.
I appreciate that so much.
After our talk, I went home and for a long time I was smiling.
Really? The whole way?
Yes, I imagine people began thinking I was crazy.
I would have loved to have seen that.
I felt like everything was just brighter that day.
I felt that too, actually.
Did you tell your friends already about me?
Yes, I couldn't wait to tell my sister that same night.
What did you tell her?
I told her that I met a kind and funny guy who's cute but clumsy.
Clumsy is true.
She asked if I would see you again.
And what did you say?
I told her I hope so, more than anything.
I'm glad your hopes were made true.
Me too. Every day I am grateful.
So our story really began with a simple book and a spilled drink.
Simple things lead to the biggest things in life.
I definitely agree with that.
Do you ever think about the alternate universe?
What do you mean?
If I hadn't dropped that book, maybe we never would have met.
That thought terrifies me, actually.
Sometimes I think about it too, but I always think our paths would have crossed again somehow.
I like to think about fate because sometimes it does find a way.
Exactly. Some things are just meant to be.
You feel meant to be with me, Anna.
You feel the same way about me.
I'm glad every day that book fell that day.
Me too, even more than you know.
Here we are. I got a reservation at our favorite restaurant.
Oh, Tom, it looks gorgeous tonight.
They have candles lit up all around the tables.
It's so romantic. Thank you so much.
Anything for you, Anna.
So what should we order tonight?
How about we order the same thing we did on our first date?
That's a great idea.
Can we order the seafood pasta, please?
Of course. I'll bring that right out for you.
It can't be real that 3 years have gone by already.
Time flies when you are having fun, I guess.
That's for sure. Every day with you feels so easy.
I feel the same way about you.
What are you thinking about?
Actually, I have a surprise for you.
A surprise? Tom, you shouldn't have.
I wanted to get you something special. He hands her a small box.
Opens the box. Oh, Tom, this necklace is beautiful.
I saw it and thought of you right away.
I love it, Tom. Thank you so much.
Can I help you put it on?
Yes, please.
There. It looks nice on you.
I'm going to wear it every day.
That makes me so happy to hear.
Well, I have a surprise for you too.
A surprise? You shouldn't have gotten me anything.
I wanted to.
A watch? Anna, this is perfect.
I saw that your old watch was broken.
You're so thoughtful, Anna.
I try to be when it comes to you.
I care about you too, more than words can say.
This has been the best anniversary so far.
And it's not even over yet.
What else do you have planned?
You will find out soon enough. Let's just enjoy our dinner first.
Okay, I'm already excited.
Good. A little surprise never hurt anyone.
Here is your seafood pasta. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you so much.
It really smells amazing, just like the first time.
It tastes the same too, just as good.
I'm so happy we came back here.
It's like we're reliving that night all over again.
In a way, we are. Although now we have 3 more years of memories to add on top of that.
That's a beautiful way to think about it.
Do you remember how nervous the waiter made me that night?
Yes, you almost spilled your glass of water.
I was just trying so hard to impress you.
You didn't have to do that, Tom. I already liked you.
I didn't know that at the time.
Well, now you do.
Better 3 years late than never, I suppose.
Exactly.
This candlelight looks beautiful on you tonight.
You always know how to make me feel special.
Because you are special to me, Anna. Every day.
I feel the same way about you, Tom.
Should we get dessert as well?
Yes, let's get something sweet to share.
How about chocolate cake? Just like last time.
That's a perfect idea.
Can we get 1 chocolate cake, please?
Of course, I will bring it right out for you. I love that we remember the little things.
The little things make up our story.
I couldn't agree more. Dinner was amazing, Tom. Thank you so much for tonight.
You're welcome. I wanted tonight to be something special for you.
It was more than something special. It was perfect.
I'm really glad you enjoyed it.
Can we walk home slowly? I don't want tonight to be over yet.
We can walk as slow as you want.
The stars are beautiful tonight, too.
Almost as beautiful as you.
You are impossible.
When it comes to you, yes.
I'm a lucky woman.
I'm the lucky one, Anna. Truly.
Do you know what I loved most about tonight?
What's that?
Just being with you. Simple moments like this.
I feel the same way.
I hope we have many more anniversaries like this.
We will. I promise you that.
How can you be so sure?
Because I intend to be by your side for a very long time.
That sounds like a wonderful plan.
Anna, can I tell you something?
Of course, you can tell me anything.
These 3 years have been the best years of my life.
Mine too, Tom. Truly.
I don't know what my life would be without you.
You don't have to think about that. I'm not going anywhere.
That's the best news I heard all night.
We're almost to your door now.
I wish this walk could be longer.
Me too. But there will be many more walks like this.
You're right. We have so much time ahead of us.
Thank you again for tonight. It was amazing.
Thank you for 3 amazing years.
Here's to many more.
Many, many more.
Can I ask you something before you go?
Of course, anything.
What made you choose this bench again tonight, really?
I wanted tonight to be a full circle, from start to finish.
That's beautiful, Tom, really.
I like the sound of that.
From a coffee shop to 3 years of memories.
And hopefully many more years to come.
I love the sound of that too.
It makes me excited for our future.
What are you thinking about for next year?
Maybe we can take a little trip somewhere new, just the 2 of us.
I would love that. Somewhere with mountains, maybe?
Yes, you always loved mountains.
They remind me of days spent being quiet and at peace.
Then next year, mountains it is.
That's a promise then.
A promise I intend to keep.
You always keep your promises, Tom.
I try my best to for you especially.
That means the world to me. Good night, Tom.
Good night, Anna. Sleep well and have sweet dreams.
I will. I love you.
I love you too. More every single day.
Smiling at the door. Text me when you get home safely.
I will, of course. Good night, my love.
Good night.
Anna,
Yes?
thank you for 3 wonderful years. I mean it.
Thank you for making every one of them beautiful.
Sweet dreams, Anna.
Sweet dreams, Tom. See you tomorrow.
Tonight was perfect. 3 years ago, I was just some nervous guy in a coffee shop, and now I can't imagine my life without her. Every minute with Anna feels magical. The sunset, the meal, the walk, it all felt perfect. I hope our story continues for many, many more years.
What a beautiful anniversary. 3 years and it still feels like the beginning. Tom always knows how to make the simple things in life feel extraordinary. I feel so lucky for the calm and warm love we have. I can't wait to see what our future holds. I will definitely cherish this as well, just like I cherish him every day.